Hi boys and girls, we're back again. It's Zuri
and Grandma.
and it's time for us to do some art. A sheet of plain paper, some wax crayons, very important that it's wax crayon, a drinking straw, some blue paint, watered down a bit but still with strong color, and perhaps some purple paint or green if you don't have purple, and also some liquid soap. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do before we even come to the paint, I'm going to ask you to draw a nice big X on the paper.
I'm gonna choose red.
Okay, go ahead. Make that X nice and big. Yes. Okay. And look at what I'm going to do with this X now. I'm going to carry it around town. Like that. Looks kind of like an ice cream cone.
Yeah, but except it needs a point at the bottom.
Well, look, I'm going to actually put a V shape. Sort of. Because
right now it looks like a mermaid tail right there.
Mermaid tail. Well, we're going in the right direction. What I'm doing is making a fish. Okay? So there I go, and I'm going to put her fishy lips and her fins. You know, the fish couldn't swim if they didn't have fins. So that's very important. And you can do the fins any way you like.
Even in zigzag.
That's right. Now I'm going to add a nice big fish eye. Here I go. You think that's okay?
Yes.
Huh? You sure?
Yes.
How about some eyelashes?
Okay.
Oh my. Wow. Those are fabulous eyelashes. Now,
Give me the right hand.
you need one more. Okay, go ahead. Right. Let's just color, I think. Color in yellow. But very, very important to note, you must press hard on that crayon and put lots of color on it. That's very important for this technique that we're doing today. Press hard, get that coloring done. Now, you saw the one we did with the fish. No, it's not just fish that live under the sea, is it, Zuri?
No.
What else? What other kind of creatures could we?
Octopus.
Yes, we could.
Or seahorses.
Seahorses, jellyfish, even starfish.
Shark, tigers.
Tiger sharks, yes. So I've gone ahead and done a drawing with a fish and an octopus. You could do this in the same technique. Okay, so we've painted our sea creatures, and you decided that you wanted to use the one with the octopus. Now we're going to do something that's very interesting. What I've done is I have mixed my blue paint with
some red paint.
Oh yes, that's what. I wasn't going to say that, but you're right. And I created some purple. But I've added to the paints some soap. some liquid soap.
Liquid soap.
I mix that in with the paint, and I have a straw, and I'm going to blow. You have to be careful. Normally when you use a straw, what do?
Suck.
But today you have to make sure you don't suck. Although these are non-toxic paints,
Yeah,
you
but if
still
you
want...
drink paint, you might die.
Yes, but these are non-toxic, so you wouldn't die. But I still don't want to have you drinking the paint, so you're going to blow. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? And here we go. Ooh, stop. There are some bubbles. I'm going to just take a bubble print and blow again. And another bubble print. Let the bubbles burst on my paper. Keep blowing. Whoa, this is a bit messy. Let's try the blue.
Okay.
Go ahead. Whoa. Go.
That was fun, Grandma.
It certainly was. We blew bubbles and we printed and we made such a huge mess. But we managed to get things cleaned up. And the important thing is, look at the results we've got. Isn't this an awesome painting? Wow, our very own bubble print sea creature painting. Try it. I'm sure you will like it.